Today we are preparing the ground to grow watermelon vertically, and we're going to amend the soil. I'm using this cool garden tool. I bought it a while ago and it actually helped me get started and softened the ground. Right now I'm pulling weeds, and y'all meet Coco. Say hi to Coco, because every time I'm in the yard, he's out there with me too. But as you can see, it's lots and lots of weeds. I figured I might as well get all of the roots out now so that my plants can grow healthy without me having to continue to weed. And so I took my time to get this part done, because in the past I have grown other items and I didn't do this up front, and I have to get out there every so often and pull lots and lots of weeds. So right now I'm amending the soil with biochar and fertilizer, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it all in really, really well and loosen up the soil. And I'm going to take all these weeds and take them and collect them and make me some tea. I've been collecting weeds all week. I've been playing in the mud. I'm in the rainforest and it's been raining all week. The rain really loosens the soil and makes it a little bit easier to work and not so hot. Look at those boots. Anyways, let's go ahead and make this tea so that we can get back to it. So these are my beautiful watermelon seedlings that I've been holding on to for too long. They were starting to get weak, and it was overdue to get these things planted. So let's get to it. So what I've done is I've taken them out and I'm just kind of laying them out to see exactly where I want them. And I'm trying to be very gentle with the roots as I take them out. And also I'm going to go ahead and add some germination soil, because the soil has everything it needs to grow strong while it's a young plant. So I'm going to go ahead and add that on to each and every seedling, and to just kind of pack it, make sure it's loose and not too stuffed. I've got 6 on each side, and because the ground is wet and muddy, I couldn't even sit down. So I had to kind of take my time and get it done by bending over and sitting in this chair. So I couldn't wait to get up and water these daggone plants. And that's what I'm doing right here, just watering them, lightly. I'm going to go ahead and secure them as well. Just as I'm watering, I realized that they weren't packed in as tightly as I wanted them to, but not too tight. So I'm just observing my work, making sure everything is good. And that's what it is. I packed them in, and I'm just trying to make sure that I don't lose my babies, y'all. So this thing, as you can see, my trellis, it's actually temporarily held together. It still needs a little bit more securing. So don't judge me just yet, but it's secure enough that I could go ahead and get this started, and I can tend to that another day. I really didn't want to lose my seedlings. They were starting to turn yellow. They had been in the little trays a little too long, but because it took me so long to finish this trellis, I couldn't get them in the ground fast enough. I've had them for weeks, and I probably lost a few of them. And they even had flowers on them, and the flowers had fallen off. So I truly hope that I'm blessed with a great harvest and great, growing experience. This is my first time growing watermelons. I've never done this before, more or less growing them vertically. So y'all gonna stay tuned. I'm gonna have some videos for you, because I'm gonna have to capture all of this. All right. And what I'm gonna do is at some point I will secure the trellis. And then as they grow, I will vine them up, making sure that every plant has its own pathway. And then once they start to fruit, I will go ahead and secure them with a material. But check me out, y'all. You see I'm washing my boots. The mud is crazy. And I tell you, it's been raining every single day. And so the mud was getting caked up in my shoes. So I just had to clean them off while I was playing with the water. But anyhow, let's get back to it. So I've got this trellis built. I have another one that's still kind of janky just behind me. It's secured, but it's not finalized. I needed, some helping hands to help me with it. So that's why I went ahead and planted the watermelon here. This one was in better condition than the other one. I still got a little work to do. So y'all stay tuned because I'm going to share it all with you right here on this channel. But I'm growing here. I'm an expat growing here in Costa Rica. I'm learning every day as I go. I even started a community garden club. Shout out to Cahuita Harvesting Hands. It's a community of us. We get together about twice a week and they come help me in the yard. When I first decided I wanted to start a farm or urban garden or small garden, small farm, I was intimidated. I'd never done it before and it was very, very difficult. And it wasn't until I put a call out into the community to ask for help, people started showing up for me, helping me every week. And so I look forward to sharing my harvest with the community, making sure that none of my folk are without food or fruit or healthy herbs, whatever we got. So when we come together, you know, if we have anything ready to harvest, we share it amongst each other. And I look forward to the grand harvest that I will have in the future. And I'm passionate about this. Even the children are out here. They're learning, you know, we're learning and they're learning from us. I'm out here every day. I'm committed to this. I decided some time ago that I would heal, change my lifestyle, start eating healthy, and start eating unprocessed foods. And this is my commitment. I'm invested. I'm all in. I'm passionate about it. And I'm doing it despite if I know what I'm doing, I will fail forward. And that's what it is. With that being said, I'm excited to do it, y'all. I'm grateful for you and everyone that comes out to help me. I'm grateful for the viewers who are watching me and for all the encouragement. I love you guys. Happy growing.